Did you know that owls cannot move their eyes? Wonderful, isn't it? Welcome to the show. Nice to see you again. The Indian eagle owl, Bubo bengalensis, also called the rock eagle owl or Bengal eagle owl, is a large horned owl species native to hilly and rocky scrub forests in the Indian subcontinent. It is splashed with brown and gray, and has a white throat patch with black small stripes. It was earlier treated as a subspecies of the Eurasian eagle owl. It is usually seen in pairs. It has a deep resonant booming call that may be heard at dawn and dusk. The facial disc is unmarked and has a black border, a feature that is much weaker in the Eurasian form. The base of the primaries is unbanded and rufous. The tail bands have the tawn bands wider than the black ones. A large pale scapular patch is visible on the folded wing. The inner claws are the longest. The last joint of the toes are unfeathered. Nesting adults will fly in zigzag patterns and mob any potential predators who approach the nest. Its diet through much of the year consists of rodents, but birds seem to be mainly taken towards winter. Prey species of birds include partridges, doves, Indian roller, the shikra, and the spotted owlet. Birds the size of a peacock are sometimes attacked. In Pakistan, Nisakia indica is an important prey item in their diet. Mammals the size of an Indian hare may be taken. Thanks a lot for joining us. We will meet soon. Take care.